Hey everyone, my name is Franklin, and this is an RPG game that I've been working on for a while. A lot of the assets, well actually all the assets aren't mine. I got them from the asset store, so they do look kind of basic, but I am just using these as placeholders, and hopefully, eventually I can find a way to get my own art. So yeah, this series I'm going to be documenting what I do every day. Any progress I make, I'll probably upload some documentation about it. I'm not sure who would want to watch this. Maybe if you're interested in documentation or you want to learn coding and game design. But to be honest, I'm learning this myself as I go. So anyway, I'm not sure who would watch this, but I'm just doing this because I thought it'd be cool to, get some documentation on the internet. So today I'll be going over NPCs and how I got them to work. As you see, these guys, they turn to look at you, and you press enter to interact with them. Yeah, this guy just says hello. Then this one, this guy wants you to go talk to Jim, so if you go back, this guy still says go talk to Jim. Yeah. If you go to Jim, this is Jim, and you go back, then he'll say, thanks for talking to Jim. That works fine. And last, this one loads a new scene. It's a battle scene. So, this is a basic battle scene I programmed. Yeah, and when that's done, it goes back to this. So, alright, I'm gonna jump into the code and show you what I did. Alright, so here's the code I used for the NPCs talking. I call it talk to me. These are the variables. I don't think I used this actually because I attached this class to the player itself, so I don't think I actually referenced this at all. But yeah, these are the elements in the canvas. Like the text boxes and stuff. Yeah, that's what these are. This is the collider, so I can keep track of who the player is next to. Right, and then this is a dictionary. So if you know what a hash map is, it's like a hash map. You have a key. In this case, I use a string, and then it's like an array, except the indexes can be anything you want. In this case, it's an array of lists with keys or indexes as strings. So I use this for NPCs. So as you see here, I don't know if this is the best way to do this, but on start, right, the NPCs, I add the name of the person, and then a list of the things that they would say. So if I call bandit somewhere, NPC's bandit, then it will be able to access it. It's just easier for me in the future if I have like a bunch of NPCs. It's the easy way to, access them. So the update is called 1 per frame. Well, okay, can talk. Let's go over this real quick. This is the boolean that I think I used down here on trigger stay. This is called whenever you're inside the trigger of another collider. So what I do basically is I make the other person look at you, and then if you press enter or return while you're within that collider range, you'll look at that person, and then can talk will be true. So all this stuff happens. Right. So collider is the other thing that you're colliding with. And I use a toString to get the name of the collider, and it adds like this extra thing on the end. So I remove that in this, and that's the name of the NPC. So then I go back to my dictionary, right? The dictionary with the string, and if the dictionary contains the name of the collider that I just collided with, then I use this int called state, and it just loops through the list of the things they say, and then once the state variable is equal to the size of the list, then I'll set state back to 0 and disable the text boxes again. And I have this talk to Jim thing if you remember back when I showed you the one of the NPCs asks you to talk to Jim. So then I say if the name is Jim, talk to Jim equals true. And then once you have Joe here, it's just a simple if statement to find out if you talk to Jim. I'm not sure if this is the best way to do this, but this is the way I came up with. If there is a better way, just let me know. Yeah, that's the dialogue. Thanks for watching.